On a rainy and lightning day, the small town of Willowbrook was abuzz with excitement. Dark clouds gathered in the sky, and thunder rumbled in the distance, heralding the approaching storm. The townspeople rushed to find shelter, and the streets quickly emptied. In a cozy little cafe called Raindrop Delights, Sarah, a young artist, sat by the window with a steaming cup of coffee. She loved rainy days. They inspired her to create beautiful watercolor paintings. As the raindrops splattered against the window, she began to sketch the quaint streets and old houses outside. Just as Sarah started to lose herself in her art, a sudden burst of lightning illuminated the sky. The whole town was bathed in an eerie, electric blue glow. The lightning danced across the heavens, creating intricate patterns that left Sarah in awe. As the storm raged on, Sarah continued to paint, capturing the wild beauty of the storm on her canvas. Each lightning strike painted a new scene on her paper, and the sound of the rain provided a soothing background melody. It was a perfect moment of serenity and inspiration amidst the chaos of the storm. Back at home, her elderly neighbor, Mr. Jenkins, sat in his rocking chair, peering through the window. He had always been fascinated by the power of nature. He watched as the lightning streaked across the sky, feeling a sense of wonder and respect for the forces of the natural world.